Bonjour mes amis. Welcome back to Smart Learning Foreign Language, your easy guide to learning French step by step. If you're a beginner, don't worry. We make French simple, useful, and fun for everyday life. Before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends. That way, you'll get all our new French lessons on time. Merci. Today's French verb is aider. It means to help in English. It's a regular verb, and it's super useful in everyday conversations. Let's learn how to conjugate aider in the present tense. J'aide, I help. Tu aides, you help. Informal, il, elle aide. He, she helps. Nous aidons, we help. Vous aidez, you help. Formal or plural. Il, elle, aident, they help. Repeat after me. Alright, let's dive into some real-life simple sentences using the verb aider. Don't worry, I'll explain everything in English too. So in French, you might say, Peux-tu m'aider s'il te plaît? And in English, that translates to, Can you help me please? This phrase is polite and really useful when you're in a French-speaking country. Now if you want to offer help, you could say, Je peux t'aider avec tes devoirs. In English, that means, I can help you with your homework. The phrase t'aider means help you. It's friendly and kind, isn't it? Nous aidons notre mère à préparer le dîner. We help our mother to prepare dinner. Great sentence to show teamwork at home. Le professeur aide les étudiants à comprendre. The teacher helps the students to understand. À comprendre means to understand. Now it's your turn. Try making a simple sentence using aider in the comments below. I'll check and reply to help you improve. If you found this lesson useful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, Smart Learning Foreign Language, and share this video with your friends who are learning French. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all our updated lessons on time. Merci beaucoup. See you in the next lesson. Au revoir et bon apprentissage.